LaMelo Ball continues to dominate Puma's signature sneaker scene, though the upcoming launch of the Puma Hali one could soon test his reign. Building on the success of his skate-inspired LaFrance line, Ball is set to release the Puma LaFrance RNR, a bold, chunky silhouette designed for both style and performance. Leaning into neutral tones, the gray and neon colorway keeps things versatile yet eye-catching, with slime green piping, a light blue jewel on the sole, and a translucent DPU lacestay panel, marking Puma's push into new material experimentation. The shoe blends runway flair with trail-ready durability, underscoring Ball's creative influence and Puma's design evolution. Dropping October 3rd, the LaFrance RNR retails at $125 for men's sizes, with grade school versions near $100. As Herzogenaurach prepares for fresh competition, LaMelo's expressive catalog remains a centerpiece of Puma's global sneaker strategy.